Bonjour parents, Madame Alexa here. I'm the owner and creator of Madame's French online immersion program for kids, and I'm here to give you a little bit more information about what happens when you click that Learn More button. So if you're ready to embark on this French learning adventure with your family, you will be taken to a subscription page for a free 7-day trial to our beginner course. You'll access the whole first week of activities, interactive games, lessons, videos that your child can do on their own time, at their own rhythm, as often as they need to. And if you find that it's a good fit for you, then you'll automatically, after 7 days, be renewed for our monthly access, where you'll also unlock the possibility to register your child for our 30-minute weekly calls with me so that they can practice what they've learned in a small group with a teacher giving them live feedback. At that point, you'll also receive a special calendar link to book a one-on-one meeting with me so I can get to know you and your child and your family's needs when it comes to learning French. It's very important for me to be able to meet with all of these families so I get to know exactly how your child learns best, and I can tailor the experience to really make them fall in love with French. I'm so excited to have you and your child in my class, and I'm excited to help your family along their journey of learning French. À bientôt!